found some guy who looks just like me, baby. And the way he walks and the way he talks, shit, lately you got a funny way of showing that you hate me. I know you don't hate me. Come on now.
He's never gonna love you like that. My hands on your body in the way that you like her. He's never gonna love you like me. My hands on your hips made it look so easy. He's never gonna love you like that. Can see it in the way that you hold his hand up. He's never gonna love you like me. No, ain't nobody gonna love you like me.
Try to replace you, try to find someone who makes me feel like you do. Cause the way you smile really drives me wild. But ooh, nobody comes close to, you're the one to blame. And I know that you feel the same, baby.
He's never gonna love you like that. My hands on your body in the way that you like her. He's never gonna love you like me. My hands on your hips made it look so easy. He's never gonna love you like that. Can see it in the way that you hold his hand up. He's never gonna love you like me. When your head's messed up and you're drunk in the backseat. You can dance, you can dance, you can dance. You can find somebody just like me. And you can dance, you can dance, you can dance, but you won't know how to hold your body. He's never gonna love you like that. My hands on your body in the way that you like her. He's never gonna love you like me. No, ain't nobody gonna love you like me. No, ain't nobody gonna love you like me. Oh, no, no. Nobody. He's never gonna love you like me. No, ain't nobody gonna love you like me.
This dance is called Hands on Your Body, choreographed by Tim Johnson and Hayley Wheatley. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance. No text or restarts in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot, forward, quarter right, side facing 3, sailor quarter to your right facing 6, forward, quarter left, side facing 3, behind, side, cross. Section 2, press right foot to the side, recover, quarter to your right facing 6, back, lock, back, quarter to your left to 3 o'clock, so left to the side, sway hip to the left, right, side, behind, quarter left, forward, facing 12 o'clock. Section 3, step forward, pivot quarter to your left, cross samba, cross, left diagonal, back together, facing 10:30, walk back, left, right, behind, square up to 12, quarter right, side, cross, facing 3 o'clock. Last section, side rock, recover, cross, shuffle, side, touch, quarter right, side, touch in, touch out. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.